Hello, my name is Christopher Gutierrez, and today I'm going to be demoing my audio recorder embedded systems project on the Zybo Zynq-7000 development board. I'll post a link to the board in the description below. The project is an extension of the Zybo DMA audio demo provided by Digilent on their website, and I will post a link to this in the description as well. The audio demo is designed to record one 5-second track and play it back to you. Each push button is assigned a different functionality. One push button begins recording from line in, another push button records from mic in, and another plays back your recording through HPH out. These are the ports here, and those are the push buttons right there. The difference between my project and the audio demo is that I've added a GPIO IP to the design for the dip switches on the board. Each dip switch combination can store a different 5-second track onto the board's softcore DDR memory. So if you have, for example, this combination is one recording, this will be another, and so forth. There will all different recordings that will be stored in memory, and once it is done recording, it will write that into a file into the SD card, which is over here. So when you start up the application, the recordings from the last time you recorded will be automatically loaded into memory for you. So when you start it up, you'll already have tracks that you can play. So in that way, it's like an extension of Zybo's audio demo. So the first functionality I want to demo is the initial startup of the application. And we will see that the tracks from the files in the micro SD card will be loaded into memory so we can play them right away. The other functionality I will show you is our ability to record I will be using mic in for this occasion, and we'll be able to play that recording back. Okay. So as you can see by this green light on the board here, I've already programmed the FPGA with the hardware design. Now I just need to run the application on the board, and we'll do that now from the SDK. So we run as, we relaunch. Okay, go to SDK terminal. As you can see, it tells us that it was loading the recordings from the files on the SD card, and it completed that task, and now we're ready to begin the demo. So actually, one of the bugs with my project here is that for some reason it won't play back the tracks unless we have recorded something first on any of the combinations. So if I attempt to play back, so right now we're recording, but we're recording nothing because we don't have anything plugged into the mic in. I'm just trying to show everyone that we have tracks from the micro SD card already. So this was that little bit I needed to do to get the project actually working. So if we flip one of the switches, set it to 8, for example, when we check the value of the dip switches, it'll give us a recording that we've previously recorded in the past. Hope you can hear that. So these are each 5-second tracks. So if I flip to something else, that was a little bit of Kings of Leon, I believe. So let me play this other combination out. And as you can see, it plays that little bit from that song that I've previously recorded. So let's see. Let's try 2. Play it back.
Books and pens, I can tell that we are gonna be friends.
As you can see, they're all different tracks, and like I mentioned before running the application, I previously recorded these and they were stored into the micro SD card so that we can use it. Yeah, let's do one more and then we'll switch to recording. Okay, so next I'm going to be demoing the recording functionality, and I'll be playing that back. Okay, so as you can see, I've switched the aux cable to the mic in port. I only have one aux cable, so we're gonna have to share for now. And I've plugged it in to my laptop so that we can play a recording and record it on our system. So I'm gonna go ahead and play this tune here on Spotify. The volume is about halfway up, and then we're going to go ahead and go into our SDK so that we can see that it will be recording, and then push the record button on the board. So you see it says start recording. Recording done. So now I'm gonna go ahead and switch this back to the speaker so we can hear it. Okay, so I went ahead and connected the audio cable back to my little speaker here and back to the HPH out on the board. And now we're going to go ahead and press the playback button, and hopefully we'll hear the sound. There it is. That was a little Game of Thrones medley. Okay, I believe that is going to conclude my demo. I will include a link to my GitHub repository for this project, as well as my lab manual and report for this project, as well, for anybody out there who is curious and wants to check it out. Thanks for watching.